Yo, so this cap is going out to an individual who, you know, since my early years, been a huge inspiration in many different areas of life. You know, it was a person who, despite me being you know, a complete young'un, like disregarded by the older kids, like she would actually, you know, like be curious about me, inquire about stuff happening in my life, and I actually believe that really shaped me, and that also like shaped my own confidence, you know. It shaped my confidence and also made me look into different expressive avenues of life. So so actually, like, being here and sewing it now is in a huge chunk thanks to that person. Okay, so now let's get to freaking sewing.
New York, autumn in New York, New York, New York, autumn in New York. So.
Yeah, so I got my like one of my episodes on YouTube playing in the background. Oh man, like having 2 days left in the studio now, I have to admit it's a great feeling, you know. Making your dreams happen is priceless, you know. Like I don't even know how much I spent on this dream, but I mean, time and money, but it doesn't matter. It, you know, it feels so good. Feels so good that I only hope you guys do the same, for real, because it's the best feeling in the world. What a day, guys. So warm, splendid, finally spring, yeah. Yeah, shout out to my mom, she's having birthday today. I love you, Mom. Pamper yourself today. You gotta appreciate your parents while they're here, you know. Oh man, on the way to the studio, it's the second day to the last. So yeah, it feels a little sad, man. It feels a little sad, but I almost like don't feel like finishing it off. Kind of like protracted that time, but You gotta do what you gotta do, eh? Oh man. But it feels good, you know, to be at this stage. I'm really looking forward to what it's gonna bring, you know, what the next stage is. And I'm really looking forward to us also, you know, like actually delivering these caps to the addressees. That's gonna be a whole nother, you know, another thing, which I'm like really looking forward to. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the sun today and enjoy the 18th cap, which yeah, the plan is to finish it off today. So yeah, let's go.
Mais pra quê? Pra que tanto céu? Pra que tanto mar? Pra quê? Se o meu caminho sozinho é nada, é nada.
Guys, it's the very last draft. It's either, so this one is either 7 or 11. Let's see how many tries it's gonna take. Nope. No. Nope. Nope. No. Nada. $11. Let's go. Guys, I got 24 hours to go and one more cap. That's number 11. Number 11. Colors. I'm just in love with. Yeah. There's nothing more I can say. It's just banging. I love this one. Instant classic, number 11.